One of the reasons why I love attending Cenex is you get to see everything under one roof, from the raw materials that are going into this and some of the very critical materials, and using the best manufacturing techniques as well. There's people on stands all around me now who are really trying to push the boundaries of the actual production of the EVs, the actual application of the technology. So I'm here today meeting clients, meeting candidates, seeing the suppliers of the technology into the electric vehicles and really looking at what's new in the electric vehicle world. To trying things out, you've got the demonstrator vehicles which are all around us, and seeing how all these complex parts get all integrated into the vehicle, all have to work together in great sort of synergy to develop these absolutely fantastic products. It's a great forum for meeting people, offering advice, giving guidance, and really acting as a consultant to talk to people and guide them, whatever their journey is.
The Low Carbon Vehicle shows is a great example of what's happening in the industry at any one time. What's particularly interesting this year is we've never seen so many disruptions in the industry, whether it's lightweighting technologies, whether it's propulsion systems, whether it's battery storage technology, least of all what's happening with the development of new vehicles and how they're fueled. So yeah, we've got a really interesting period, I think, in the industry at the moment. I think the Low Carbon Vehicle show does a fantastic job of presenting to the industry exactly what diversity is happening at the moment with regards to technology and actually what's happening with collaboration. You know, we see original equipment manufacturers, you know, Ford, Lotus are exhibiting their products here.
LCV is a good eye-opener to some of the newer technologies that are coming through, and that helps us to keep advised of what the challenges are going to be in terms of finding the right people for the industry. Working with Jonathan Lee in the low carbon vehicle sector is partly due to our knowledge of the industry. We like to, by attending events like this, keep ahead of the technology that's available. That way we can make sure that we're looking for the right engineers at the right time for our clients.
It's really good to get to meet people face to face, put a face to a name, get a feel for what's going on in the industry, developments in technology. You know, post-COVID, just get out and meet people and you know, find out what's going on. Really, staying up to date in current affairs within the sector, and yeah, it's good.
This is the third year we've been here with this engine. It's a really good mixture of industry and government, and yeah, we're sort of keen to come back every year, but in particular we've seen a significant shift in understanding around the alternative energy sources for heavy vehicles, industrial vehicles over the last 3 years. It's been a big shift, so we're keen to keep coming back and being part of that.
I think what's really impressed me here today is the range and diversity of things that's going on. So we've got obviously low carbon vehicles, so we've got electrification is huge, but it's really interesting to see companies starting to think about hydrogen fuels, hydrogen combustion, so that's really interesting to me.